Hey, I'll tell you what, folks. 2021 27-in Winnebago Adventurer. And I'll tell you, this is a great coach, good floor plan. It's a 3-slide coach, I believe. But here we are at BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon on a great fall day. Let's go in and check it out, see what it has to offer. Come on. All right, coming inside, you're going to see beautiful floor plan, nice leatherette seats, intercoil springs on this puppy. It's just an awesome place for your family to reside. Nice cabinetry, Winnebago quality. Winnebago is a beautiful company out of Iowa, and they've been here for a long time. But coming over here, you're going to have an L-shaped kitchen, dual sinks, nice faucet, stainless steel. A lot of counter space, true induction cooktop with propane on the side. You're going to have a convection microwave right here. And look, this one comes with camera equipment. Isn't that great? And right back here, here's your information center right here. You have a loft bed up front. If you can pan around and see that. Oh, see how the kids love this thing? But anyway, the controls are right here. And the slide room controls right here. You do have solar on board in this coach. You have inverter energy command center right there. And of course you can control your air conditioners, your water pump, everything right there at the touch of a button. It's just pretty doggone awesome. Coming back here, stainless steel refrigerator, nor cold. Refrigerator and freezer. Really set up for the kitchen lover in your life. Little pantry area, little Winnebago pull-outs, easier to get to the stuff in the back. Pretty cool. Coming around here, we do have a wonderful bathroom area with a corner shower. A lot of room in there, seat to sit down in there if you need to. The commode and the little vanity area right there. Very nice, a lot of nice lighting in there. Coming to the back, one of the things I like about this coach is you have a walk-around queen bed in here, and it just really encloses this room nicely, so you feel like you are in a true bedroom. You got a little TV here, countertop, a lot of storage area, and a very, very nice wardrobe area that is a slide right there. And because this is a north-south bed, you'll see when we get to the outside that it yields a lot of storage underneath the coach too. So it's pretty cool. Now, this is a 2021 model. So coming up into the cockpit, you saw the bed. You do have the 2 seats that spin around. This is going to be a V8 350 horsepower motor in this thing. So this thing will scream down the road in a 27 coach. Look at that, it goes up mysteriously by itself. All I have to do is give it a verbal command. Amazing. You have levelers up here. Very nice. Everything at the touch of a button, cruise control, that sort of thing right there. You have the camera in the middle. That's your backup camera and your side cameras. And then you have this nice little desk over here for your co-pilot. One of the other features I see that this has down here, looking at it now, is the window over to the right side that allows the driver to see what is on the side, or if you have a pet, it allows your pet to see out the window. Pretty thoughtful of them. This is a great floor plan. Let's go out and see what it has to offer outside. Coming outside, the Adventurer 2021 will have full body paint, so you'll never lose any of your color, no discoloration from or peeling from the vinyl peeling off. But very nice slide right here. Oh, let me show you one of these. Yeah, if I can open it. There it is. So you have a bunch of storage in there. That's one thing that Winnebago never skimps on, is their storage. Nobody can compete with them on this. Nobody. You do have an outside TV right here, so when your awning comes out, and your awning is right up here, and it will come out over the slide, and you can watch the TV. Very nice. But again, more storage right there. Pretty incredible. Now this is what I was talking about inside. Because that bed is a north-south bed, it gives you a ton of storage room back there, and it's accessible 3 ways. Right here, from the back, and also you do have your tow hitch right here, so you can tow a 5,000-pound whatever. You decide, folks. And because you have the camera up there, you can look down on it, and boom, you can see that your whatever is okay. You have your ladder accessing the roof, so you can take care of your roof seals, air conditioners, whatever's up there. You just want to maintain them, that's for sure. That is a maintenance issue. So right here is the other access to that bay back there. Now here is a 5,500 watt generator. So that indicates to me that you have 2 air conditioners on the top, which is very, very incredible for a 27-foot coach. Pretty cool. Right here's your water bay, your 50 amp cord, all your stuff that you're going to do. Remind you of the movie RV, yeah. And there's your poles for your tanks, your black waste tank drain, and your gray. What a beautiful color palette. Here's your side cameras that illuminate 30 degrees going down the road, so you can see anything coming up to the side. I'll tell you what, this is a beautiful coach. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches on the BISH'S lot, please give me a call, mKelson, 541-285-8791, or the BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.